Hello, sir.
Hello, Sirisha.
How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm cool, sir.
Okay.
Anyways, thanks for asking me. And by the way, I just want to invest, especially with hundreds, but I need to get a profits in lakhs. Is
Okay.
that is possible, and especially in post office schemes?
It is 100% possible, not because of me, it's because of the postal department. The post office in India has given us a very good and a great opportunity, I would say this, as your dream has come true.
Okay.
Yes, it's
So,
fact of the matter now. It's no more a dream. So you can realize your receiving profits in couple of lakhs of rupees, not just couple of lakhs, but you will receive a profit of 17 lakh rupees by just investing in few hundreds.
okay, sir. But how much time we need to invest?
50 years? No, not exactly. Not even 40, 30, or 20 years. Just for 10 years you invest and you will get a solid kind of a return at the maturity of your recurring deposit scheme in post office.
Okay.
Now, how much in hundreds I mean to say is that's about 333 rupees per day.
Okay.
You invest about 333 rupees per day, which comes approximately up to 10,000 rupees per month, which in return, if you keep investing for about 12 months, that's approximately 1,20,000 rupees after 1 year. Simultaneously, if you repeat the entire investment process up to 5 years, you will be investing about 6 lakh rupees. That's your total principal invested amount. And you will get a rate of return that is about 6.7% is the interest rate. And the beauty is you will be getting this rate of interest as a quarterly compounded interest.
Okay.
And how is it possible? I'll show you that, because what happens is seeing is what is believing. So
Sure.
let me show you. This is the indiapost.gov.in's official website, and here if you see National Savings Recurring Deposit Account, which is called as RD in short, that is called as recurring deposit. So from the 1st of January 2024, interest rates are as follows, which is 6.7% quarterly compounded. Please keep that point in mind. Why? Because normally if you invest in a bank, in a FD, you get about annual rate of interest. That's
Right.
maybe
Yes,
5%, 6%, whatever. Here you get 6.7% every 3 months. That means you invest an X amount and interest is added every 3 months, and including the principal and the interest of 3 months will again gain more interest after 6 months. So what happens is the power of compounding literally happens in this particular scheme only. This kind of scheme is not available anywhere in India except is in post office. The beauty is once you start investing in multiples of hundreds of rupees, you will be able to get 17 lakh rupees plus. How is it possible? I am going to give you a solid evidence which will talk for itself, because what happens is people tend to give sometimes maybe a wrong information, but I am going to go to a website where it is called as a SIP calculator. You need to select the column as lump sum and you start investing in this. That's about approximately 10,000 rupees every month, and you are investing total investment here which is 6.7%, and your total return time period in 10 years you will be getting this amount, and here you will be getting this entire lump sum amount. So this total amount per month if you're investing, that's about 1,20,000 rupees per annum. Now at a rate of 6.7% quarterly compounded interest for 10 years, you will be investing about 12 lakh rupees, and in return you will get about 5 lakhs 12,071 rupees. That is your profit, including your principal and rate of interest comes up to 17 lakhs 12,071 rupees. This is purely going to be credited in your account. So you are totally investing in a EMI kind of a phase manner, like every day 333, every month 10,000, and every year it is 1,20,000. But you are not investing in a lump sum manner. You are investing in small amounts on a daily basis, but you are getting the entire profit in a lump sum kind of an amount. So that 17 lakhs 12,000 rupees will be credited to your savings account, and you have one more advantage here. That advantage is you are going to get a loan amount on the amount what you have invested. For example, whatever the X amount you have invested, you will get 50% as loan, personal loan. And you know what will be the rate of interest? That's
How much,
about
sir?
2% only. Generally, you get the loan around 10%, 15%, and 20% kind of rate of interest. But here it's only 2%. That means it is the USP of this particular recurring deposit scheme. This kind of a scheme is not available in any of the banks or anywhere else. This is recurring deposit scheme only available in the postal department. Go to, I'll show you. In fact, I also have installed the entire app here for all the interest of our viewers. So this is called the Post Info app, which is available in the Play Store. You can install it. So now I will select interest calculator and I will go to recurring deposit option. So I am going to invest approximately 10,000 rupees per month, and that I will type it here. Now I haven't typed anything. So this is 10,000 rupees I have invested every month. If I press the button calculator, I will get the entire details. Say for example, 6 lakhs rupees in 5 years is my principal amount. I will get an interest of around 1,13,660 rupees, which will in total become 7,13,660 rupees on every quarterly. I will be getting the interest getting added on that. So I get a compounded effect onto my investment safely. I don't need to take any single naya paisa risk. There is no exposure of any kind of a risk, and you make full profit, 100% profit guaranteed for you. So now I think I have realized your dream. So you need to give me a party, Sirisha.
It actually sounds good, sir. And I'm going to invest very soon. And thank you. Thank you so much.
Welcome, Sirisha.
సుమన్ టీవీలో మీ పర్సనల్ అండ్ బిజినెస్ ప్రమోషన్స్ కోసం కింది నెంబర్కి కాంటాక్ట్ చేయండి.